Once again, students, here polynomial exercise 2.2, class 10 mathematics. So, student, here is first question of exercise 2.2, that is find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. So here is the parts of given question number first. So we discuss about the polynomials, that is quadratic polynomials, quadratic polynomial standard form. It means to say ax square plus bx plus c. So ax square plus bx plus c. So this is the standard form of quadratic polynomials. So students, here we discuss about the one by one all part of question number first. So that we take first part. That first part is x square minus 2x minus 8. So here we see on comparing quadratic polynomial. Here you see a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 2 and c equal to minus 8. So here students we get the value of ABC by comparing of polynomial standard form here. So here you see x square minus 2x minus 8. We find out the zero of the polynomial, that is, so we see here from this type of polynomials when we ask the zeros, so you see the constant and the highest power of x square. It means to say in quadratic equations you have to multiply the constants, that is, here you see 1 and here you see minus 8. It means to say minus 8. We have to add and subtract. We can take this and multiply, the number should be minus 8. It means to say the factor should be 4 and 2. 4 and 2 the factor, from that product is 8, and which number is minus and which number should be positive. So we calculate here the number that is minus, and here the big number we calculate minus and that number is positive. So multiplied of that we get here minus 8, and after that you see x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. We take comma from here, x minus 4 plus 2 x minus 4. When we are going to the right part, so we have to see the common number should be equal, and we take from here x minus 4 and x plus 2. That we take common and write that, and after 2 we take only one common, that is. So for find out the number of zeros, x minus 4 and x plus 2. So here we put 1 by 1 equal to 0. So here you see x equal to 4 and here x plus 2 equal to 0. It means to say x equal to minus 2. So the number of 0 that is 4 and 2, and we have to discuss here the relationship of number and 0, relationship of number of 0 and coefficient. So you know in quadratic equations the sums of two zero, that means we take here alpha and beta are the zeros, that is alpha and beta equal to minus b over a. It means to say here we take, that is alpha plus beta, it means to say the two zero that are comes here, that number are 4 and minus 2. So we can take here alpha equal to 4 and beta equal to minus 2. So we can write here, and here if you take the value of minus b and a, so you can also take the value from here. B, the value is minus 2. So we write here minus and minus 2, and the value of a equal to 1, it will to say 1. So from here we get 2 and minus plus. So from there we also get, so this is the relationship of coefficient for addition sums of the 0 and product of the 0. It means to say product that are given alpha and beta which and c over a. It means to say c, the value of c is minus 8 and a, the value is 1, and here you can also take alpha equal to 4, that is, and beta equal to minus 2. So from here we also get minus 8 and minus 8. So this is the relationship of number of 0 and coefficients. So same this way you have to find out the others polynomials, and you can write and find out the relationship between that. Till then, goodbye.